Stop right there. Before your guests even step inside your home, your entryway has already told a story. The question is, what is it saying? Is it warm and inviting or plain and forgettable? In today's video, we're transforming that first impression with stunning entryway decor ideas that are trending in 2026 and guaranteed to make your home feel stylish from the very first step. Your entryway doesn't need to be big to look beautiful. Start with a statement piece, like a sleek console table or a compact wooden bench. This instantly gives structure to your space while also being functional. On top of it, add a decorative tray, a small vase, or a scented candle to create a welcoming vibe. Next, let's talk about mirrors, one of the easiest ways to elevate your entryway. A round or uniquely shaped mirror not only adds elegance, but also reflects light, making your space feel brighter and more open. Lighting is another powerful detail you should never ignore. Swap basic lighting with a modern pendant light or a soft, warm lamp to create a cozy and luxurious feel. Now, bring in some life with greenery. A small indoor plant or even a tall floor plant can instantly freshen up your entryway and give it a natural, calming touch. Don't forget about wall decor. Minimal wall art, floating shelves, or even a simple gallery wall can add personality without making the space feel crowded. Hooks or stylish wall hangers are also trending in 2026. They keep your space organized while looking chic. Finally, complete the look with a beautiful rug or runner. It adds texture, warmth, and ties everything together perfectly. Stick to neutral tones with a pop of color for that modern aesthetic everyone loves right now. Remember, your entryway sets the tone for your entire home. With just a few thoughtful changes, you can turn it into a space that feels welcoming, stylish, and unforgettable. So try these ideas and make your first impression truly stunning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing home decor inspiration.